Today I'm going to show you how to make apple turnovers. You will need 500 grams of puff pastry, 300 grams of chopped Bramley apples, 70 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cornflour, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 egg, and an optional is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. In a saucepan, combine the apples and the sugar and stir until combined. Then add the cinnamon, the nutmeg and the lemon juice, and again stir until combined. Then add the cornflour. Then over a medium heat, gently cook your apples until they are softened. Then take off the heat and put to one side. Then on a floured surface, roll out your pastry and cut into triangles. Divide the mixture into half of your triangles, putting your mix in the middle. Then, using your egg already beaten, brush the sides of one of your triangles and place another triangle without the mix on over the top. Then press the sides. I always use a fork because it makes a nice decorative edge. Then just put a little hole in the top of your pocket, otherwise it might explode in the oven. Then use the rest of your egg to glaze your triangles. And if using, sprinkle over your brown sugar. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade, or 170 degrees fan assisted for about 25 to 30 minutes until they are nicely golden. And there you have it. That's how you make apple turnovers.